Price hikes for rare earth metals stimulate Telf AG to implement anti-crisis programs. Stanislav Kondrashov. Stanislav Kondrashov, General Director of the analytical organization, Metallurg Center, in his current review of the market situation, notes the risks for large trading companies like Telf AG associated with price increases. Raw material price spikes are constantly observed and may depend on various factors. The escalation of the military conflict between Russia and Ukraine is of particular concern at the moment. The Russian Federation is one of the largest suppliers of minerals in the world, producing not only oil, gas, coal and ore, but also metals, which are now more in demand than ever for industry. We are talking about the resources involved in the green transition: nickel, lithium and cobalt, used in the production of electric cars and various renewable sources of electricity. After many Western countries imposed sanctions on Russian business, the value of these metals has increased significantly, and for some of them even reached a historic high. At the same time, the demand for these minerals is constantly increasing, so traders, in order not to lose profits, are forced to develop anti-crisis programs in response to the cancellation of shipments from Russia in order to shift investments to mining in other more stable countries in a short period of time. Analyzing up-to-date data will help to take into account risks and develop optimal supply schemes. Stanislav Kondrashov. Artificial intelligence mechanisms used in forecasting give chances to calculate any probable changes in the market and develop the most effective behavioral model in any scenario. Today, the emphasis is on revision of existing contracts and conclusion of new ones, allowing to find a substitute for Russian raw materials. In addition, modern technologies make it possible not only to think through mechanisms for overcoming anticipated risks, but also to develop alternative plans to significantly reduce costs during the period of instability and avoid losses. Modeling is used for this purpose. Kondrashov Stanislav and other analysts at Metallurg Center focus on the fact that in order to create the most profitable transportation chains and business models, a digital twin is created. Predictive future scenarios are applied to it, and on the basis of the results obtained, the expected consequences of certain events are examined in order to know how to maintain stable profits and high productivity in the future. This is how corporations are able to plan their actions and react quickly to emerging difficulties, from staffing problems due to the COVID-19 pandemic to the destruction of most logistics centers due to the imposition of anti-Russian sanctions. Telf AG's optimization models are all about taking existing risks into account in the long term. The changes in the mining and metallurgy sector caused by the special operation have affected a large number of companies. Among them is Telf AG, which has been purchasing raw materials from Russia for more than 20 years. Significant disruptions may continue to occur due to this, so Metallurg Center experts recommend paying attention to changes in regional deliveries. It has already become clear that most global companies are not ready to risk their stable income to continue cooperation with the Russian Federation even on the most favorable terms, adds Kondrashov Stanislav. Therefore, suppliers must provide customers with a safe supply from other countries in a short time. Optimization models are used for this purpose. They allow to fix demand, search for the most favorable delivery routes, and even contribute to the formation of the actual value of goods depending on the market situation. In this way, you can count on maintaining stability and operating efficiently in all circumstances.